2018, I joined CSCEC as a junior design engineer. I am happy to be involved in the bridge construction project. Temburong and Brunei's main island face each other across the sea. Building a bridge connecting the two is a common aspiration of generations. I have witnessed the construction of the bridge, and I have also seen the changes that the bridge has brought to the two places after it was opened to traffic. As the largest infrastructure project in Brunei's history, the Brunei Temburong Bridge is about 30 kilometers long, spans about 30 kilometers, serving as a sea crossing link between the Brunei Muara district and the Temburong district. Previously, a one-way boat trip took 2 hours. Now, with the bridge connecting both sides, the daily commute time for thousands of people is reduced to just 15 minutes. The CC4 lot, constructed by CSCEC, passes through pristine rainforest. In this section, we employed a no-ground disturbance technique to effectively protect the vegetation and wildlife within the rainforest. The construction of bridge piers and steel erection was carried out entirely on moving steel platforms, without touching the swampy ground or damaging rainforest vegetation. In other words, we built a bridge on a bridge. Aiming at innovation connects with green development, we work to protect the pristine forest environment to the greatest extent possible. This road is lined with lush trees, and small animals can often be seen. Apart from improved ecology, life in Temburong has also become more facilitated because of the bridge. Thanks to the bridge, commercial streets and resorts were built there, attracting more and more people visiting to enjoy the beautiful scenery of the tropical rainforest. Gazing ahead as mountains connect with the glow of city lights. The Brunei Temburong Bridge has woven together the lives of residents on both banks, witnessing the diverse beauty of a happy living environment. Does urban expansion necessarily mean the retreat of greenery? Through innovative technology, CSCEC has built the Temburong Bridge in Brunei with high-quality construction and services, connecting the two banks, contributing to green and sustainable urban development, and creating new possibilities for human-nature harmony. With greenness well preserved, comfortable lifestyles are unfolding.